Minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will do an important theorem which states that if two parallel lines of a transversal intersects, two parallel lines, then we have to prove that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Given is AB parallel CD and T is a transversal which cuts them at P and Q. This is AB line, this is CD line, this is transversal T which cuts them at P and Q, forming angles angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, forming angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to prove that alternate interior angles, which are angle 1 and angle 4, angle 2 and angle 3, we have to show that these angles are equal. Now we will give proof. Since AB parallel CD and T cuts them, therefore angle 1 will be equal to, also these angles are also formed, 5 and 6. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 5, angle 1 equal to angle 5. These are corresponding angles. Okay, because when two lines are intersected, parallel lines are intersected by transversal, we have remembered that corresponding angles are equal, therefore corresponding angles will be equal. Also angle 5 will be equal to angle 4. These are vertically opposite angles, angle 5, angle 4 vertically opposite angles. This is first, this is second, therefore from first and second, angle 4 will be equal to, angle 1 will be equal to angle 4, which are alternate angles. Similarly, angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. This theorem should also be remembered and should also be solved, which states that if a transversal intersects two lines such that two parallel lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles are equal, therefore the lines will be parallel. After this we will state another important theorem Theorem is, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary that is, their sum will be equal to 180. We will give solution to this question. Solution is given is two parallel lines A, B and C, D. Transversal is T, which cuts them at P and Q, forming angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. AB parallel CD and T is a transversal which cuts them at P and Q, forming angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. To prove, we have to prove that on the same side of the transversal interior angles are 3 and 5, 4 and 6. We have to prove that angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 and angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Now we will give proof of this question. Now angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180. This is first equation. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Angle 1 and angle 3 are linear pair because they lie on the line. Their sum will be equal to 180. Also, AB parallel CD. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to angle 5 corresponding angles. These will be equal. This is second. Therefore, from first and second, instead of angle 1 we will write angle 5. Angle 3 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180, which was to be proved. Similarly, angle 4 plus angle 6 will be equal to 180. Another theorem should also be remembered, which states that if a transversal intersects two lines such that interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the two lines will be parallel. After this, we will define exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Here, triangle ABC is given. Side BC is produced to D point, forming this angle ACD, which is outside triangle ABC. This is called exterior angle of triangle ABC. Now we have to remember that in a triangle, exterior angle ACT will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is angle A plus angle B. This point should be noted.